Here's a video on how to backwash your pool filter while it's running in regular filter mode. The first thing you want to do is turn off the power. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your dial and turn it to backwash, which is here. So you want to turn it clockwise. So you're going to push down on your dial and turn it while it's pushed down into the backwash slot and release. Then you're going to turn on your pump. Now in our case, our line is already open, or if you need to open yours, open it. Then you're going to turn the power back on. And what you're going to get is all your dirty water, algae and everything from the filter. It's going to come out here. As you can see, start to turn green. And you can also look at your clear bubble here. And you're going to let that run until it turns clear, until the water here is clear, either or. So that's all the algae coming out. Pretty good. Water over there. And you can see now it's starting to get clearer. Along with the water that's coming out. How good you can see. So once it clears up, you can see, and the water is running clear, you're going to turn the power back off. And you're going to turn your filter to rinse, which is here. Same thing. Press down on your handle, turn it to the rinse slot and release. And then you're going to turn it on and run it for about 15 seconds. And now you're rinsing the sand. You want to run it until it runs clear. Turn the power off. And then turn it to filter. And then just just turn your pump back on and let it run as normal. So that's how you backwash your sand filter and rinse it. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.